Discover 20 powerful tools from KNIPEX that make electrical and plumbing work faster, safer, and more precise. From high-leverage pliers and precision wire strippers to durable pipe wrenches and cutting tools, KNIPEX delivers professional-grade performance. Designed in Germany for reliability and comfort, these tools help electricians and plumbers tackle demanding jobs with confidence and efficiency every day. Ratchet Cable Cutter. The KNIPEX Ratchet Cable Cutter is a professional-grade tool engineered for smooth, clean cutting of copper and aluminum cables. Its multi-stage ratchet drive delivers high transmission with minimal hand force, enabling easy one-handed operation. Precision-hardened blades ensure deformation-free cuts for reliable electrical connections. Compact yet powerful, it includes a pinch guard, locking mechanism, and stable handle support. Designed for durability and efficiency, it's ideal for electricians working in tight or demanding job site conditions. MultiCrimp. The KNIPEX MultiCrimp is a professional multifunctional crimping tool designed to replace multiple pliers with its interchangeable die system. A rotating glass fiber reinforced magazine stores dies and enables fast, tool-free changes. Its precision ratchet mechanism ensures consistent crimp pressure and reliable connections, while the lever action design maximizes force with minimal effort. Made from oil-hardened chrome vanadium steel with ergonomic multi-component handles, it delivers durability, comfort, and factory-calibrated accuracy for demanding electrical applications. ComStrip. The KNIPEX ComStrip 1262-180 is a self-adjusting wire stripper built for safe, efficient electrical work. It automatically adapts to cable sizes from 0.2 to 6.0 square millimeters, 24 to 10 AWG, preventing conductor damage. A fine adjustment dial ensures precise stripping on special insulation, while the integrated cutter handles solid and stranded wires. Its slim head fits tight spaces, and the ergonomic two-component handle offers comfort. Lightweight fiberglass reinforced construction ensures durability and long service life. ErgoStrip PV. The KNIPEX ErgoStrip PV 1695-03 SB is purpose-built for fast, precise photovoltaic cable processing alongside standard wiring. Its ergonomic pistol grip and adjustable 6 to 18 mm length stop ensure consistent stripping for MC4 connectors. Designed for tough H1Z, 2Z, 2-K solar cables, 4.0 to 6.0 square millimeters. It also handles round, data, coaxial, and single core wires. Weighing just 65 grams, it features reinforced blades, a slim conical head, multi-component grips, and durable oil-hardened steel construction. Cobra ES. The KNIPEX Cobra ES is a precision-engineered water pump plier built for tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Its extra slim, tapered head and long, narrow jaws allow deep access where standard pliers can't fit. The self-locking mechanism grips pipes and nuts securely without constant squeezing. A push-button fine adjustment ensures accuracy, while box joint construction adds stability. Hardened 61 HRC teeth, a pinch guard, and front serrations deliver durability, safety, and exceptional control in confined work areas. DPT50. The KNIPEX DPT50 is a next-generation pipe cutter engineered to cut and chamfer thick-walled PVC and PP pipes in one smooth operation. Designed for 32, 40 and 50 mm diameters, it handles wall thicknesses up to 3.5 mm. A spring-loaded, reversible ball-bearing steel blade ensures clean, precise cuts, even on sections as short as 10 mm. Its fiberglass reinforced body, self-adjusting rollers, and lightweight 202 mm, 294 grams design provide durability, stability, and clear cutting visibility. Modular X18. The KNIPEX Modular X18 is the brand's first professional tool backpack, built for customization and heavy-duty transport. With an 18-litre capacity and 15-kilogram load rating, it features 37 pockets, 21 loops, and a removable tool board for flexible organisation. Fully hinged panels provide complete access, while padded laptop compartments protect tech. A waterproof base, MOLLE webbing, fidlock fasteners, and lockable zippers ensure durability, comfort, and job site security. Forged wire stripper. The KNIPEX Forged Wire Stripper is a heavy-duty multifunction electrician's tool built from forged high-grade special tool steel for superior durability. Unlike standard stamped models, it delivers 50% more cutting capacity with 25% less effort. Its non-threading screw cutter handles 632s and 832s screws from front or back. Patented locating ridges, speed stripping, while the hybrid pliers, head, integrated spring, and ambidextrous lock enhance comfort, precision, and efficiency on demanding jobs. TwinGrip. The KNIPEX TwinGrip is a precision-engineered slip joint plier built to remove stripped, rounded, or seized fasteners with ease. Its dual-zone gripping system bites from the front and side, while inductively hardened teeth, approximately 61 HRC, ensure long-lasting performance. A push-button adjustment and robust box joint design provide stability and safety. Forged from chrome vanadium steel, the TwinGrip delivers high leverage, a slim profile for tight spaces, and reliable, slip-free control on stubborn hardware. Composite pipe cutter. The KNIPEX Composite pipe cutter is engineered for precise, effortless cutting of multi-layer and plastic pipes. Models like the 90-25-25 feature a rotating cutting wheel that reduces hand force by up to 60%, while the 90-25-40 uses a multi-step ratchet for thick-walled pipes. Self-centering support jaws and ergonomic grips ensure square cuts with minimal deformation and hand fatigue. Automatic opening springs and replaceable blades enhance efficiency, making these cutters ideal for plumbing, heating, and protective tube applications. Crimp assortment. KNIPEX. Crimp assortments are professional kits combining precision crimping tools with a variety of connectors or wire ferrules. Housed in the durable Tanos mini sustainer with T-lock fasteners, they allow secure stacking, one-handed opening, and easy access even when connected. internal modular trays keep components organized, while factory-calibrated pliers like PreciForce ensure consistent crimps with forced lock mechanisms. Ergonomic designs reduce fatigue. Key sets include cable connectors, Twister 16 registered ferrules, and universal kits, making these assortments ideal for electricians and mobile professionals. KNIPEX BiX. The KNIPEX BiX 9022 10BK is a compact dual-function manual pipe cutter for plastic pipes and sealing sleeves. Its rotatable blade unit enables precise cuts for diameter 20 to 50 mm pipes and drip or sealing sleeves, leaving clean, DIN-compliant edges. Made from reinforced plastic and die-cast zinc, with surgical stainless steel blades from Solingen, it ensures durability. Ultra compact at 72 mm and 108 grams, it fits in the palm, includes spare blade storage, and features a secure locking mechanism for safe portability. QTX Devendesmit. The KNIPEX QTX 90 is a professional 18mm snap-off utility knife built for demanding jobs. Its unique extendable stabilization bar acts like a backbone, keeping the blade rigid for powerful, precise cuts, then retracting for flexibility in tight spaces. A magnesium housing keeps it lightweight yet durable, while separate sliders prevent accidental activation. It features secure blade locking, tool-free blade changes, spare blade storage, and an ergonomic non-slip grip for maximum control. Robust34 Tool Case. The KNIPEX Robust 3400213 is a 34-litre impact-resistant tool case built for extreme outdoor conditions. Its IP67 rated housing makes it dustproof and waterproof, while an automatic pressure compensation valve prevents deformation during air travel. The case offers 93 insertion options across multiple dirt-repellent toolboards, plus a customizable base tray and document compartment. Ergonomic handles, padlock eyelets, and a 25 kg load capacity ensure secure, comfortable portability. Dimensions: 500, 10 by 419 by 215 mm, weight 7.1 kg empty. PreciForce. The KNIPEX. PreciForce is a professional ratcheting crimping tool engineered for precise, reliable electrical connections. Each model features a fixed precision machine die for specific connectors, covering 0.1 to 10 square millimeters, depending on the type. Factory calibrated pressure ensures consistent crimps, while manual adjustment and an integral ratchet lock prevent undercrimping. Its high leverage toggle design reduces hand fatigue, and ergonomic multi-component grips offer comfort. Made from oil-hardened chrome vanadium steel, the compact durable tool is ideal for insulated, non-insulated, PV and heat-shrinkable connectors. StepCut XL. The KNIPEX StepCut XL 95 1x225 is a 225mm high-leverage cable shear, engineered for effortless cutting of large copper and aluminum cables. Its unique step-cut jaw geometry reduces cutting force by up to 40%, allowing both one- and two-handed use. Dual cutting areas nibble through cables step by step, while a retaining pin prevents slipping. Laser-hardened edges ensure long-lasting sharpness. Ergonomic handles, a slim head, and a high leverage joint improve comfort and accessibility, making the StepCut XL ideal for heavy-duty electrical work. TubiX. The KNIPEX TubiX series offers advanced pipe cutters for metal pipes, featuring a patented quick lock mechanism for rapid one-handed adjustment. Designed for copper, brass, stainless steel, rigid steel conduits, and armoured cables, they deliver precise cuts. High-quality needle bearings reduce friction, while a durable ball-bearing steel cutting wheel ensures longevity. Models include an integrated, removable deburring tool and tool-free wheel replacement. Lightweight magnesium or aluminum housings and ergonomic feeding barrels make the TubiX ideal for plumbing, HVAC, and electrical work. Pliers Wrench XS. The KNIPEX Pliers. Wrench XS 86041000 is the world's smallest fully functional pliers wrench, measuring just 100 mm, 4 inches. Despite its compact size, it grips nuts and bolts up to 21 mm and features smooth parallel jaws for delicate surfaces. Its one-handed, fine adjustment and high lever transmission allow precise, powerful operation. Ultra lightweight at 70 grams with a box joint design, texturized handles, and safety pinch guard, it's perfect for EDC, bike kits, or precision engineering tasks. PreciStrip16. The KNIPEX PreciStrip16 1252195 is a professional automatic insulation stripper engineered for precision on wires from 0.08 to 16 mm squared. Its parabolic blades provide clean cuts without damaging conductors, while a patented automatic mechanism adjusts cutting depth. Fine tuning is possible via a precision dial, and semicircular clamps secure insulation. The tool includes an adjustable length stop, integrated cable cutter, and optional specialty blades for tough cables. Lightweight with ergonomic dual component handles and a replaceable blade cassette, it ensures comfort, safety, and long-term durability. Big Twin. Electrician. Tool case. The KNIPEX Big Twin Move 002141 LE is a robust rolling tool case engineered for ultimate organization and accessibility. Its dual opening V-shaped design allows stable, freestanding access from one or both sides, while removable toolboards and a fixed center wall offer 95 insertion options for versatile tool storage. Built with impact-resistant ABS, an aluminum frame, and metal hinges, it ensures durability and security, including a triple locking system. Smooth skater wheels and a telescopic handle provide effortless mobility,